I don't carry another update carry come. As when I know I dey like keep to my promise. So today I want to make we talk about my earning experience when I dey use this particular app here, where they call Gemgala. So if you want to know or see how my earning experience go, make you watch this video from the beginning to the end. And make sure you like the video, share the video, subscribe to my channel so that anytime I drop new video, they go notify you say new update don't land, and now you go be the first person to check them out. Thank you very, very much. And make you comment where you watch this video from for comment section, and make you know say this one no be tutorial. Me, I know they do tutorial for this page. Now review at the con review. If I don't use any update and the update they like seeing go make more sense, I go just share my opinion about the update. And make you also know say I no be financial advisor, no be financial advice be this one are just my own personal experience at the con share. So a few days ago I become make video about this platform where they call Gemgala. I talk say na platform where be say they say if they play this kind fun games or this block is it block building or block busting, you had in the column. If you never watched that video, go watch that video. I feel drop and give you for comment section or my description, or I go just check out for my profile. I've been dropped the video like 4 days ago about Gemgala. I just can't talk like that. That time I've been get around 11,000 gems for my wallet, will be around $1.1 when I do that video. So today I don't get around total after 3-4 days of work and everything I don't gather around 100,000 gem, will be around $10.4 dollar for the platform. So waiting I do be say I place my withdrawal today. I just place my withdrawal now. And according to waiting at the see here, they say before you place your withdrawal, you need to verify your face. You need to do some certain things for the platform for before you place your withdrawal. So after you don't finish all the verification, the next thing now for you to create you get one kind wallet like that where they say you need to create. Well, like I said, I could do the tutorial drop for my cirrden account. So make sure you check my cirrden account, follow me for my cirrden account. Just go follow me there so that I go drop the tutorial there, how I take withdraw and everything there. You need to link that wallet to your Gemgala account. And after I don't link that wallet, if you withdraw from your Gemgala, then go send and go that wallet. Then from that particular wallet, if you withdraw, put for your Naira account, I think so, or any other accounts where they are available. And that wallet too, you need to also verify, so all these kind of things like that. So we get small things like that we need to do. But like I said, I go do the tutorial drop for my cirrden account. Just go my cirrden account, go follow me so that if I drop then go notify you for your email say I don't drop new video for my cirrden account. But waiting I come here to talk about be say I don't place my withdrawal today. So I just place my withdrawal. I never receive them yet. So according to waiting then talk, they say go take 24 hours before they send the money from my Gemgala account to my Met wallet. So you go take them 24 hours before they transfer and put inside my Met wallet. I go come back after 24 hours. Okay, my people, so the next day don't come. They don't transfer the small thing from my Gemgala wallet to the Met wallet. To make I check my Met wallet, this is amazing. But also make I bind bank card, make I use USDT and the rest. So they get Zenith Bank, they get United Bank for Africa, and now be that First Bank and Fidelity Bank. They don't get plenty banks here. So now only few banks they get here. And also if you still use USDT, if you don't want too much headache, too much wahala. Alright, so I don't put everything. So if I add them successfully, then go come highlight the cash out button. You understand? Well, all these things why they talk. So if you want to see, I make you check my cirrden account, I no go drop on here. You understand? These people they are wahala too much. Go try my best so that no matter what thing they do, make I still come on my small thing from this particular platform. Everything don't they confirm. They say completed, estimated arrival time within 7 working days. Oh boy. So they say they say I go receive them within 7 working days. You understand? So now where the problem come they be this. So if I receive this particular stuff early, I go drop and give una. But if you know see I'm early, or if I don't receive them early, I beg make sure you join my cirrden account. Follow me for my cirrden account so that when I drop this particular tutorial there, I go so drop and there give una to show. If I receive a more, I go drop and there to show and say I don't finally come on my small something from this particular update. So tell me what you think about this particular update for comment section. You like Abi, just share your opinion for comment section. I go see you now for my next video, and bye for now.